unithetha amagama amabini aza kuwa understanda. Ndiyamazi ba ungumntu futhi oyithandayo into ye-business. Kukho amagama amabini, a currency and an exchange rate. A currency and an exchange rate. Now, a currency yase-South Africa ifika e-America i-underminwe ngokuba it does not meet the standard. When you do the exchange rate, uthi xa uyitshintsha ibe yi-cent. So I want to say to you, treat yourself as a valuable currency and don't go and transact wherever your value will not be understood. In that way, you'll be a man. Wherever you transact yourself, look at your environment and see if these people will understand your value. Keep that in mind.